Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I welcome you. I'm back, you guys, with a final Bath & Body Works Disney haul. You guys, this is my last video for Disney as my last few packages finally arrived this week. I also made a trip to the store just to check out to see what they had in inventory, and I looked up and found a couple more things that I want to share with you all. So if you are into videos like this, I hope you enjoy this. Be sure to like the video and also subscribe to the channel because you are welcome here. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with this small box here. I'm really excited to unbox these last few items with you all because these are items from the Disney collection that I actually missed out on. So let's get this unboxed. And I hope you guys got everything you wanted out of this collection. It definitely required a lot of work to be able to get pieces that you wanted as part of your collection. So I'm super happy that everything is finally here and I am content with the Disney. This is new for me. I'm not used to seeing tissue paper inside of the shipping boxes. You guys, I finally was able to pick up the Jasmine coin purse. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I want to say this one may be the most gorgeous coin purse, and I say that because look at the design of this coin purse. It is so nice. I think this piece is very high quality made, in my opinion. So you have the Disney princess here, and I'm gonna bring it just a little bit closer. So it is a fabric vinyl type of material, but Jasmine, I love the gold that's incorporated in the turquoise, or should I say teal color that is incorporated for her design. It is just so gorgeous, you guys. So I love the flower. As you can see, there's so much intricate detail on her coin purse. And I definitely did not want to be without this one. I was really getting sad because hers sold out so fast. So I was able to get these on my Bath & Body Works rewards at $14.95. And here on the back, you have her signature where it says Jasmine. And it says, be free to create your own world. I love that as well. And here you have her image on the actual, on the zipper pull. So pretty. This is so pretty, you guys. I love that. So also here you have a gold clasp, which is very well high quality. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I cannot wait to place this on the gold tote bag. I am just so impressed with these coin purses and the overall accessories with this Disney release. So if I open it up here, and actually it has Bath & Body Works on the back here. I had not noticed that. So I'm just gonna open this up, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I mean, it's pretty stiff for sure. It's a lot of quality put into making this coin purse. And here you have the Disney princess tag on the inside there. And you just have these silica beads to keep out the moisture. So I love this, you guys. I really do. I picked up quite a few of these for me and my daughter. So that's one there. Here's another Jasmine coin purse. And I just end up picking up 2 more. So a total of 4 of the Jasmine coin purses, and that's everything for that box. And just to share my thoughts on Jasmine's actual collection, like I mentioned, I love her color selection, and her fragrance actually has grown on me. It's definitely a unisex fragrance, and in my opinion, her fragrance is the most unique amongst the other princesses. And I say that because I really do pick up like some deep notes in her fragrance, like maybe a little bit of oud. I really do love the sparkling jasmine flower in there. It's very sensual, also woody, and it may be a bit too woody for some, but my husband actually, he loves the jasmine fragrance. Everything smells so good. It actually really had to grow on me because I thought it was a bit too woody, and her diamond shimmer mist is gorgeous. I really think the fragrance lasts longer in the diamond shimmer mist. It is so beautiful. So I was able to pick up her shimmer mist, which is such a beautiful shimmer on the skin. I love all of the Princess Diamond Shimmer Mist, you guys. They are beautiful. So hopefully you guys were able to get the pieces and the body care that you really enjoy, that really speaks to you. This collection has been beyond like so much fun to be able to shop for. So moving on to this box here. Okay, so I've got to do a little bit of extra work and open up these individual boxes here. Okay, so these were wrapped extremely well. This is another wallflower plug that I was able to pick up for a friend. This is the Belle, the Rose wallflower plug. I've already hauled a few of these that were part of my collection. However, these are not for me, but I did want to go ahead and share with you all what was in this big box. So that's one Belle wallflower plug, and this piece is gorgeous. I'm not going to open this one because this one is not for me, but yeah, I picked up 2 of those. So I'm going to open this up just to make sure this is the item that I ordered. Okay, yep, this is the item. So just 2 of the Belle wallflower plugs. Gorgeous piece. So that's everything for that box. Moving on to my in-store purchase. So the store that I visited actually received a late shipment of Disney items, and they had a couple wallflower plugs available. This is one of the wallflower plugs that I was not able to get my hands on. So I saw that they had only 2 in stock, so I immediately grabbed it up. So this is the Moana wallflower plug, and it is so gorgeous, super gorgeous. My daughter had ended up sending me a pic of these and how much she loved the look of these, and I had not had it in my collection, and it was just by chance that I visited a store that actually had 2, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up because she did send me an image and she was saying how much she really liked this one. So look at this. This is so gorgeous, you guys. Love the detail of the plumeria flowers, and here is her boat at the top. Very pretty. This is in silver. This is so gorgeous. So this one actually is priced at $19.95. Same price as the Belle wallflower plug. So I don't think this one, actually it does light up. So, and it also has scent control as well. So I'm super excited to test this one out to see how this one works and how it looks in the wall. But this one is so gorgeous. And this one was another one that went really fast, especially for those who love the Moana collection. This one is gorgeous. So I picked up, like I mentioned, two. One for her room and one for my room. These are adorable. So yeah. And I actually love the Moana fragrance. I ended up picking up many of her pocket bags, and I have been seeing that stores have been restocking Disney pocket bags. So if you love pocket bags as much as I do, I highly recommend to check those out because they smell really good and they keep your hands nice, clean, and fresh. So that's everything for my in-store purchase. I do have one other box to share with you all that I forgot to present initially. So I'm going to grab that box and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I'm back. And this is the box that I was missing that I wanted to unbox with you all. And this is the final box that I'm going to share with you all from this Disney release. At this point, I'm over it. Disney has taken all of my allowance money for this month. So this is the last item that I was not able to get my hands on, and I picked up the Moana. This is the Moana pocket bag holders. Look how gorgeous this piece is. So this one, in my opinion, wasn't as nice as the others. And I say that because it has like this plastic piece on the back that I'm not too crazy about because these pieces do break down over time. But I definitely wanted to have this beautiful plumeria flower in my collection. So this one is also reward eligible as I use rewards for this purchase. This one was a bit cheaper at $9.95, probably because it doesn't light up or anything like that, and you just slip your pocket back here on the back side there. But you still have the nice gold detail, which is Moana's ship, as you can see there, or her boat in gold, and you have the gold clasp at the top. And this one is definitely more flimsy. It's just a vinyl like piece, but I love the color selection, and it's still going to be very cute on any handbag for the summer. It's very beachy. I think it's just super adorable. So I did decide to pick this one up once I seen it available online. So yeah, I ended up picking up a few for me and baby girl. So that's two there. And then I have two more here. And I figured like that I would double up because I feel like they may tear up, and if one does, then I have a backup just in case. Hey, Nagi. So I picked up 4 of the Moana pocket bag holders, and that's everything for that box. So I'm going to reposition everything so I can give you all a final visual of everything I picked up, ending out my Disney hauls. Be right back. Okay, friends, I'm back. So these are the final items that I am hauling for the Disney release. I picked up 2 of the Moana Princess wallflower plugs. Super cute, you guys. And also 4 of the Moana pocket bag holders. Also, I was able to pick up Jasmine coin purses. And lastly, for a friend, I picked up 2 of the Belle wallflower plugs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Leave me some comments down below. Have you all wrapped up Disney? I would love to know. Stores pretty much are out of all accessories. I was told there won't be any more restocks, so I'm really waiting on a good body care sale so I could pick up full sizes of the Disney Princess Fine Fragrance Mist. I would love to actually have all 6 of them in full sizes, so hopefully we can get a mist sale soon. I did pick up some body creams from the $5.95 sale, so once those arrive, I think I will haul those as well. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you made it through this entire haul, I really appreciate you all and the support, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.